This is the Einhell PEAG 18Li Power Exchange Cordless Angle Grinder that was made in Germany.
I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me, turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease, bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me, cause she got a...
In choosing a power tool, the first thing we need to consider is our safety when we are using it, especially sa grinder. A decent angle grinder will usually move at anywhere from 5,000 to 10,000 RPM, which is perfectly fine for a grinder na magagamit natin para sa kahoy, bakal at bato. Kaya most of us consider grinder na isa sa pinakadelikadong power tools because of its produced power. Just to give you an idea, the average speed of a table saw with 10 inches blades are from around 3,000 to 5,000 RPM. And a typical circular saw has 2,700 to 5,000 RPM na halos kalahati lang ng produced RPM ng mga grinders. And on this episode of DIY Dad's Power Tools Review, I will review this Einhell Cordless Grinder. And I will show you yung mga safety features niya na for sure mapapathumbs up ka rin. It is a very handy compact tool and is the lightest angle grinder of its class. It has robust aluminum gear housing and a very smooth operation because of the separation of motor and gearing. The slimline design has been fitted with ergonomic soft grip surfaces. Napaka-importante kasi ng pagiging handy sa isang power tool. Mas magiging komportable ka kasi agad gamitin and less intimidating. The soft start function and restart safeguard make it safer to use and there is an overload cutoff for a long service life. Meaning ng soft start function, when we turn it on, it is setting the tone muna para sa atin na hindi tayo magugulat sa power na kaya niyang i-produce. Each switch naman ay designed for restart safeguard. We typically experience grinder na slide up switch and slide down off. Na minsan pag off natin, bigla siyang bumabalik pataas kaya magugulat tayo, aandar bigla yung grinder. With this design, 100% prevented yon because of the restart protection. Kasi when we turn this off, there is an additional movement para mapa-under mo siya ulit. Which is, you need to slide the switch to the right first, then slide up. The overload cutoff means it automatically shut off if masyado ng overloaded or nasobrahan na sa paggamit para maiwasan yung pagkasunog ng motor. There are also modified air guidance that provides better cooling. It is a good source of proper air ventilation for the motor. And this is one of my favorite safety features of this machine. The disc guard has a quick adjust facility that can rotate it at any position you need. Kadalasan, ang cause ng aksidente yung hindi pagkakabit ng blade guard. First reason is, we are tempted to use a bigger size blades na hindi akma sa capacity ng machine natin. Blade guard is an indication na kapag hindi kasya sa kanya yung blade disc na gagamitin mo, means hindi siya compatible sa machine. At bakit ba natin kinakatama rin ikabit yung blade guard? Common sa grinder, yung isang way mo lang maipoposition yung blade guard mo. At ang hirap pa niya higpitan. And that's the reason why Einhell innovates their design of their grinder. This blade guard can be easily adjusted in any position. For cutting materials for right-handed, left-handed, or for sanding using the front part. At you could adjust it with ease using this quick adjust facility. It also has an additional easy grip handle that can be fitted flexibly in 3 positions. Pwede sa kaliwa, sa kanan, at sa taas. It also has a storage that holds the wrench for installing and removing our grinding disc. If maglalagay niya tayo ng grinding disc, we just need to press this spindle lock, lagay natin itong washer, insert the disc, put back the retaining washer, then lock it clockwise using this wrench. And I will give you a very important reminder. Hindi pwedeng ipamutol ng kahoy ang grinder. Tara, let's put it into action. I feel like an addict 'cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine. cordless grinder ay member ng ating Power Exchange family. Means na yung battery nito ay pwede nating ilipat at gamitin sa iba pang Einhell Cordless power tools. It has a 3 Ah battery or ampere hours. Ah or ampere hours is the amount of energy charged in a battery. A higher Ah battery will last longer than a lower Ah battery. It has a charger and a cordless case. Thank you so much Einhell Philippines and City Hardware for the opportunity to work with your brands. Once again, I am your DIY dad. Until next time, peace.
Show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body